Hello children, welcome back to my class. What are we going to study today? It's value education once again. And as you can see, my screen already shows the page that you must take out. So in the previous class, we were studying about care for animals. And remember, we need to care for all kinds of animals. Domestic animals, your pets, and also wild animals. But there are many animals that are in danger these days because people are killing them. I showed you pictures in the previous class about a tiger and a lion and also about a crocodile, and you remember those. So there are many such animals, children, even the rhinos. So today we are going to study from page number 32. And here I have my book. So page number 32. What does it say? Rhinos are killed for their horns, isn't it? And elephants are killed for their tusks. And all these animals, the elephant, the rhino, and our national animal, the tiger, these animals are killed for various parts of their bodies. And those parts are sold for a lot of money. And these animals are now endangered. So children, what do you think is the meaning of endangered? Let us underline this word in the book, children. Endangered. And you must learn what endangered means. Endangered means those animals who are in danger of extinction. Endangered means that they are at a risk of extinction, and soon they might all disappear from the earth, just like the dinosaurs. Now, what else do we know in this chapter? There are many reasons why animals are in danger. Humans destroy nature in order to live a good life. Human beings need a lot of space to live their lives. They want big buildings. They want to make huge malls, shopping malls. And for that, what do? They cut down the trees in the forest and they destroy the homes of the animals, the wild animals. The places where animals live are getting fewer and fewer. Animals raised in captivity. Now there is another word that you must underline in your book. Captivity. Now what do you think, children, is the meaning of this word captivity? Captivity means they are in cages. They are locked up in cages. So when animals are looked after in captivity, when they are kept in captivity, when they are kept in cages, they die faster. Their numbers become less. Poachers kill the mothers. So you know, children, who are these poachers? Poachers are hunters. They kill animals and they sell their body parts for money. So poachers kill the mothers and take away the babies and sell them as pets. There are many endangered animals like the panda, the orangutan, the snow leopard, the gorilla, and also the lion, the chimpanzee, cheetah, and green turtle. We must save these animals. The first step is to know more, understand more, and also investigate more. So we need to ask why. Why should we not kill these animals? What is the use of these animals? We must investigate. We must find out. And if you ever know of someone who's doing something like this, poaching or catching animals and selling them, we must report it to the police. We must tell our parents to report. Now children, there are some new words here. Some of the animals, you may not know them. The panda, I hope you've seen one. Or the orangutan, or the snow leopard. So I'm going to show you the panda, the orangutan, the snow leopard, and also the green turtle. I'm going to show you pictures of these animals. You can see them on my screen. So look, this is a panda. Can you see that? This is a panda. Its favorite food is bamboo. But this animal is hunted by poachers. Now the next picture, let's have the next picture. Here children, you have the picture of the orangutan. They look so sweet, but they are very naughty. Why are they so naughty? Because they are monkeys. But you know children, these are also endangered animals. Now let's have a look at the next picture. This is the snow leopard. Can you see? It's white in color almost. It is the snow leopard. And then let's look at the next one. This is the green turtle. I'll make it large for you. You can see the larger version. This is the green turtle, children, and it is hunted by people and it is killed. Now children, look at the exercise which you have here. It's called explore. And what do we have to do there? It's a very interesting topic. List out the things that you must do for your pet. Find these words and use them in the activity given below. So look at it. The first one has been done for you. Carrot minus rot plus year minus AR. And then you see when we do this minus and this plus, we get the word as care. C-A-R-E, care. Now look at the second one. Uncle minus U-N-L-E plus check minus C plus cups minus C. And then what do we have there? The answer is checkups. Did you get that? Now let's move to the next page, children. Now children, look at question number 3. Yes minus YE plus helicopter minus ecopter plus IT minus I plus year minus A. So when you do all this plus minus, you know what you need to do is close your video. Shut down your video for some time and try to find the answers by yourself. Then you again open your book and put on the video and check if you got the answers right. So you see, number 3, the answer is shelter. Number 4 is already solved for you. The answer is food. Number 5, I'm not reading this plus minus because you are sensible children and you can do it by yourself. So number 5, the answer will come as love. Number 6, the answer will come as exercise. And the final one, number 7, the answer will come as water. But that is not the end of this exercise because you have got 8, 9, 10 and nothing written. And even I have left the page blank there. So you have to find out 3 more words that you can fit there. So how will you do it? You'll follow the same pattern as is given to you here. So let us see if you can find it out, and then in your online interaction with your teacher, you can discuss these 3. So let's move on to the next one. You have a pet dog at home. Your mother has also got some lovely rose bushes. So with the help of these words, we have to write a paragraph. Now I have already done it for you children. So all you need to do is just copy it from my page. I will enlarge my page a bit so it will become a little easy for you. Now you can see that very clearly. The answers are: I would water the rose bushes. I would love my pet dog and give it food, water and exercise every day. So take a nicely sharpened pencil and copy this one down. And what about the next one? That is your reflection. Let's take a look at your reflection, children. What is the reflection? Let me move my page a little higher. And what is the reflection? The reflection is: we must respect all animals, whether they are pet animals, domestic animals or wild animals. We must show respect to all animals, and endangered animals must be protected. So I hope you will write down all these answers as you can see them on my page and keep your books ready for the next class. So with that, we end the class here, children. Thank you and have a marvelous day.